Welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. Hello students, here we provide ICSE, CBSE and WBSE solution. Today we are going to discuss about transformation of sentence type 2 conversion of simple to complex. Here we will provide you the examples with noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Previously we have discussed how to transform the sentence according to these clauses. So we will start our session of the day right now. First of all, we'll expand the phrases into the noun clause. The examples such as I wish you to be quiet. So this can be done in noun clause such as I wish that you should be quiet. Next is I prayed for his success. The answer like be that I prayed that he might get success. Okay, this is given in past tense, so we'll have to use might because this is denoting to a kind of certainty. Next there is we hope to win the match. So this is very easy. We hope that we shall win the prize. Next is there I know her name. So in the noun clause the answer will be like that I know what her name is. Next is she confessed her guilt. Answer is she confessed that she was guilty. Next there is he found the dog lying under a tree. The answer is she found that the dog was lying under a tree. So you see that before the main subject there is we are using that. Next that is we are expanding a phrase into an adjective clause. The first one is an honest man is respected by all. So here you can see honest is an adjective. We have to explain it like that. A man who is honest is respected by all. Next there is I lost this umbrella last week. So the answer like be this is the umbrella which I lost last week. Okay, so here umbrella is a thing. So before a thing, after a thing we must use which, and for any person we use who. She is an intelligent girl. So the answer is she is a girl who is intelligent. Now next there is the child wants a toy to play with. Answer is the child wants a toy that he can play with. Next there is I want a pen to write with. The answer is I want a pen that I can write with. Next there is the hungry man died last night. The answer is the man who was hungry died last night. Next there is he is working all day to earn money. We have to change the sentence in the adverb clause. So answer is he is working all day so he can earn money. Next there is he couldn't attend the class due to his illness. So using adverbial clause we can write the answer such as he could not attend the class because he was ill, and now we are transforming it in complex sentence, so we can write like that the old man is too weak to carry the load. And as we are familiar with that, where there is TOO2 and TO2 used together, that means this is used for the negative sense. So here so that will be used such as the old man is so weak that he cannot carry the load. Next there is he ate so much out of hunger. So we can write like that he ate so much because he was hungry. Next there is she ran too fast to win the race. We can write this using adverbial clause such as she ran so fast that she won the race. So finally we have discussed all these examples that will help you a lot. So if you find this video helpful, then like our video, subscribe our channel. Have a nice day students. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.